Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on distance, speed and time worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topics of distance, speed and time. These are very important elements or ideas in real life, and we've got some real life problems here to solve. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. On the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So firstly, I'll leave this slide on for about 1 minute, and you can pause the video if you need longer on this slide. You can pause it for as long as you like to help you do the problems, and then I'll move on to the next slide. Okay, I'll move on to the second slide now, and remember you can pause this slide for as long as you want. Here is the second slide. I'll leave this one on for 1 minute or so. Pause it for as long as you like before I go to the last slide where the video will finish. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now. I hope you enjoyed these problems. Don't forget, pause the video at any stage for as long as you want.